Here are 4 reasons to invest in a link management app for 2023. First, we should talk about the difference between an external link management app and an internal link management app. You're probably familiar with external link management apps Bitly and Rebrandly. These are often used by digital marketing teams for branding links and tracking clicks. Internal link management is used to easily share and find resources or tools within your company. Overall, link management tools allow you to organize, track, and shorten links. GoLinks, for instance, allows you to create a short and easy to remember URL. So here are the 4 reasons you should invest in a link management app in 2023. Reason number 1 is that employees end up saving a significant amount of time with these tools. Reason number 2, employees boost work productivity. Reason number 3, it prevents knowledge loss. Reason number 4, it allows your company to easily track SaaS spend. Consider using an internal link management app to save your company money, time, and effort. Currently, the average company uses 137 SaaS apps. A SaaS app such as GoLinks improves productivity and streamlines collaboration. Your teams will be able to share and find information quickly.